Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this question together. We have log base 3 x plus 4 plus log base 3 x minus 1 is equal to 3. We have to find the value of x in this equation. Okay, so let's solve this now. So we'll be applying the product rule in logarithm. So let's say we have a log x plus log y is the same thing as log xy. So when you have an addition, it becomes product. So let's apply this here. So now we have addition here. It becomes a product of this and this. So now you have log base 3 x plus 4 x minus 1 is equal to 3. Let's put this in square brackets. Okay. Now we have log base 3 x multiplied by x. We have x squared. X multiplied by minus 1, we have minus x. Plus 4 multiplied by x, you have plus 4x, then plus 4 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 4, okay? As equal to 3. Now we have log base 3. Simplify this equation here. We have that minus x plus 4x. That's saying 4 minus x. That's what? 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have x squared plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 3. So now we'll be introducing another logarithm rule. For instance, when you have an equation like this, x b is equal to y, means here that b is equal to y to the power of x. So in this equation now, our x is 3 and our b is this, then y is 3. So let's let's do that. We can now say that x squared plus 3x minus 4 is equal to square root of 3. This one comes here. Okay. Now, x squared plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 27. 3 times 3 times 3. That's what? 27. Okay. Now, this is going to be crossing. When 27 crosses this equality sign, it becomes a negative sign. So x squared plus 3 to the power of x minus 4 minus 27 is equal to 0. All right. Now, x squared plus 3x minus 4 minus 27 is what? Minus 31. That's equal to 0. Now we have ourselves a proper quadratic equation. We are going to be using the almighty formula to solve this equation. Okay. Now this is our equation. We bring it up, becomes x squared plus 3x minus 31 is equal to 0. So let's solve this using the almighty formula. What's the coefficient of x here is 1. The coefficient of x here is what? 3. That's plus 3. So b is what? 3. And the coefficient of 3 here, we don't have anything, this is a constant. So c is equal to minus 31. Okay. Now for the almighty formula, the formula is this: x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay. Our value of b is what? 3. Value of b is, we said the value of b is 3, right? That's 3 squared minus 4. And a is what? 1. C is minus 31 all over 2 multiplied by 1. This is minus 3 plus or minus 3 squared is what? 9 minus 4 times 1. Minus 4 times 1 is what? Minus 4. Now, minus 4 multiplied by negative 31 is what? Here, negative 124. Okay? All over 2 multiplied by 1 is what? 2. So it becomes minus 3 plus or minus 9, negative, negative, it becomes positive. So now 9 plus 124 is what? 133. Okay, all over 2. This is the value of our x. X is equal to minus 3 plus root 133 over 2, or minus 3 minus root 133 over 2. What is the square root of 133? We have minus 3 plus 11.53 all over 2. Okay? Now we have minus 3 minus 11.53 all over 2. Okay? Plus 11 minus 3 plus 11.53. So let's solve it. I like to solve the positive first, like to take from go from positive to negative. So now we have 11.53 minus what? 3. We have 3, we have 5. 11 minus 3 is what? 8. So we have a negative 8.53 over 2, or this is not, this is 11.53. Now, minus 3 minus 11.53, that gives us what? 4 minus 14.53 all over 2. X is equal to this and this. Okay, now, okay, no, this should be positive because 11 minus 3 is a positive 8. So now we have here becomes 4. X is equal to 4.26 or negative 7.26. That is the value of our x. Final answer is this. Bye bye.